Hello friends, in this video we'll be covering up the topic of how you can integrate your TradeJini broker into your SpeedBot account. In order to do such integration, firstly you need to sign up to your SpeedBot account. Once you sign up over here, if you're able to navigate to the broker section, what you need to do is you can click on add new. You just need to type in the broker, that is TradeJini in our case. So in the drop down I'll be able to find this TradeJini broker. So over here I'll be able to see a set of instructions which I need to follow. So firstly I'll have to open up this link, that is the API dashboard. So I've already opened one. So if you are a new user on this TradeJini API dashboard, so you need to sign up over here. I already have my credentials with me, so I'll just click on the login. So either you can log in via your TradeJini credentials or you can input your email or your password. So I already have the TradeJini credentials handy with me. So now I'm logged into the Q+ API. So in order to create a new application for my API based or algo based trading, so I would just create a new app over here. So I'll be able to see two options. One is the individual and the other one is the app. So we would be creating an app. So I'll just select out this option. So you can keep the logo URL blank. You need to add your client code, that is your login ID of your TradeJini account. Then you can mention your application name, that is, I'll just name it as SpeedBot Algo Trading Platform, or maybe SpeedBot Algo Trade. So you can keep the webhook URL as it is, and you can mention the redirect URL. In order to get this redirect URL, you need to move back to your SpeedBot account, and over here you'll be able to see this redirect URL. So you can just copy it and you can just paste it over here, and you can hit the create button. Now it says that it is successfully registered. So now I'll be able to see the API credentials, the client code, the API secret key over here for the application that we have created, that is SpeedBot Algo Trade. So over here I'll input two fields, that is the API key and the API secret key. So let me just copy the API key and paste it over here. Likewise I'll do it for the API secret key. So over here. So once all the information is added, I'll just click on the add button. Now our broker is added into our SpeedBot account, but over here I'm able to see the red label as login required. So this means that the broker session is not active. In order to do so, I'll need to click on the broker, and over here I'll be able to see a login button. So once I click on the login button, then a session would be created and there would be a last login. So this is the time where you logged in and created a session for your TradeJini application. So you need to follow this process every day right before the markets in order to generate the session token from your side. So this is how you can do the TradeJini integration from your side. So if you face any issues or if you have any queries or suggestions, do let us know. We would be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching this video.